and welcome to the TMC Newsroom. My name's Rich Tehrani. Thanks for watching us. Today we're at the Cloud Expo Show 2011 at the Jacob Javits Center in Manhattan. On our program is Blair Drenner. He's the VP of Business Development at dynaTrace Software. Blair, welcome.
Thank you very much. Appreciate being here.
So we're happy to have you as well. Why don't we start out with a 30-second intro on your company?
Sure, I'd be glad to. So dynaTrace Software is about 5 years old, and we focus on performance management. But not only performance management, we also do functional issues as well. So one key interesting thing about dynaTrace is we've been very opportunistic in our timing in the market, because application performance management, although they've been around for quite some time, some of the tier 1 vendors aren't up to speed with some of the latest technologies and the dynamics of the market today. So introductions like Web 2.0 and cloud technologies are causing new interesting demands in the market, and we've been able to meet them where tier 1 vendors haven't in the past.
So in terms of what you are hearing at this show, what are people telling you, the ones you've met with?
Yeah, there's actually been quite a bit of interest here at Cloud Expo. I've been really pleased with the turnout. We've had hundreds of people come to our booth and take the dynaTrace challenge and talk about their mission critical applications and how dynaTrace could give them insight into making sure that they alleviate their problems in an expedited way and improve performance on their applications in the cloud.
So from a competitive standpoint, what do you see in the market?
Yeah, it's interesting that you asked that, because I used to run a competitive organization, so I have an interesting outlook on competition. The tier 1 vendors that we spoke about just a second ago, although they have most of the market share because they have longevity, they've been in the market for a long time, a lot of them, like I said, they aren't really addressing the needs and the problems of the market today. So we actually entered as the next generation APM vendor before some of the other APM next generation vendors. So we're kind of in this wonderful niche where we're a little bit ahead of the curve in addressing the new problems the cloud introduces, Web 2.0, and other complexities in the environment.
So in terms of your typical customer, is there a certain, if I'm a watcher or viewer of this right now, this video, and I want to determine if your company can help me, what I guess slot would I have to fit into, or slots, to be someone who can be helped by your products?
Yeah, that's a great question. Essentially, the core is having a mission critical application to your business. So we actually specialize in certain industries that are focal points because of the nature of the industry, such as financial service. E-commerce obviously depends heavily on their web front end and so forth, but we have a huge diversity of different industries that we cater to, as long as there's an application that is critical to the needs of the company.
What's next for the company?
We have a very, very wide and broad horizon. Actually, 2 days ago, right before the conference, or the beginning of the conference, we announced our user experience management. So it's taking the understanding and the depth of dynaTrace that we have in the back end, and we're extending it all the way out to the browser, so we understand the user impact, who's affected by different issues in the performance, and ties it to the business. So that's one of the many things, as well as various things in the cloud and different offerings.
Great, thanks for being on the program.
Thank you so much, appreciate your time.
Blair, great job.